Ano ang sabi? Today, feature naman natin ang entry ng Hyundai sa 7-seater MPV segment. It is stylish, spacious, as in space. Dahil po ang pangalan niya ay mula sa outer space. This is the 2025 Hyundai Stargazer X. Let's go! Kung di pa po kayo nagsasubscribe sa channel ko, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. For this segment alone, you can't help but to compare this with the Xpander. Well, alam naman natin na andyan yung Avanza or the BRV ng Honda, pero mostly sa Xpander mo siya maiko-compare. As we all know, talagang maganda ang sales na Xpander sa segment na kinabibilangan niya. But what does the Stargazer X can offer to compete on this segment? Well, ang sagot dyan ay madami. They're offering a product that is versatile and has all these simple elements that really work well. Lalo na kung most of the time, marami kang isasama sa mga lakad mo. Everyone gets ample space at komportable lahat, which is important. Pero dito muna tayo sa design niya. As you can see, wala kang makikita masyadong mga sharp corners or masyadong madaming design accents. It has this nice flowing design that makes it look like it's longer than what it is, especially kung nakaupo ka sa harap. Para siyang meron nung Honda Civic effect na parang ang haba nung hood niya. Para bang alang part or section sa design nito na kontra sa hangin. Yung ala siyang part na magkaka-wind drag, something like that. Okay din ang pagka-aerodynamic design niya. Parang all around the vehicle, everything is sloping. Mula dito sa harap, kita yung design na malapad na boomerang look ng headlights niya. May DRL sa taas at kitang-kita yung long horizontal DRL na yan running across the front of the car. Dito sa Stargazer X, kita yung masasabi natin na more rugged look. It has a different looking design for a grille sa mga nakasanayan na natin. Dito sa side profile, mas makikita yung sloping design mula dun sa harap hanggang dito sa likod. Kita na mahaba ang wheelbase niya. As you can expect, talagang komportable ang ride dito. I like the wheel design. Para siya nga talagang star. Is a star na talagang kumikinang, something like that. I like this cut sa gitna, yung design accent na yan. Okay din kasi hindi basta flat lang makikita mo. And the door handles are chrome. At yung very visible sa kanya, itong mudguard, giving that rugged character to it. Dito sa likod, I like the way the lights here blend together. May pagka Starship Enterprise ang look. Okay yung spoilers niya dito sa taas. Mahaba yung third brake light. Andyan pa rin yung part na talagang mahaba na tail light across the rear of this MPV. Habang sa may bandang baba, kita din yung mga design accents na ginawa nila. May repeaters din. In a way, overall, it has that look that makes it appealing for any age group or demographic. It's not boring to look at. It looks modern. At makita mo pa lang siya, ramdam mo agad na everyone inside will be comfortable. Pang barkada, pang family. It is simple, but it has that eccentric design. Dito na po tayo sa engine niya. What powers the Stargazer X? Engine po naman niya is a 1.5 liter Smart Stream engine with the Intelligent Variable Transmission, IVT. Yan ang same with the engines they have with Kia. Well, they share the same platform, assuring you of a reliable, fun drive. Available po to at 6-speed manual transmission, not bad, 6-speed. 115 PSI at 6,300 RPM and 144 Newton meters of torque at 4,500 RPM. Kaya kung power lang po, saktong-sakto lang to, sapat na sapat. Speaking of features, pag-usapan na po natin yan kasi ang ganda rin po ng mga nilagay nila dito sa top of the line Stargazer X. Meron po siyang cruise control, manual speed limit assist, lane keeping assist, lane following assist, forward collision warning, blind spot collision avoidance assist, forward and reversing parking distance warning, driver attention warning, high beam assist, safe exit warning, rear seat alert, rear view monitor, rear cross traffic collision avoidance assist. So mostly it's the rear cross traffic alert. This MPV comes along with a 200,000 kilometer warranty coverage for 5 years. Whichever comes first. You can choose from the Dragon Red Pearl, Creamy White Pearl, or ang Magnetic Silver Metallic. At dito po sa Hyundai Motors Pasig, along C5 po, dito po sila bago mag-flyover. Pasyal na po kayo dito at makita nyo po ang mga lineup ng vehicles from Hyundai. Sa pagtatapos, sure you can purchase the other variants of this MPV without the X. But if you want more in terms of look, features, and the overall value for money that you will get, this 7-seater MPV is definitely highly recommended. Ito po ang 2025 Hyundai Stargazer X. If you found some value in this video, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. Drive safe. I'll see you on the next one.